Just finished the underneath of Dinta and Kate's car, so now it can come down. It's been a fair bit more work than was first anticipated with the floor sections and the exhaust. And anyway, it's all really good now. I'm really happy with the way it's finished up, and we'll get it down and a little job in the interior to finish it off and clean it out, and I can give David a call and tell him his car's just about ready to go. So we're just about ready to paint the interior of Kate and Dinta's car. So I've been down, got a few supplies, some scotchy stuff for cleaning up the interior, for getting all the body metal right. Masking tape, with a roll of masking paper, and a Valspar paint, which is a really good automotive paint. That's the thinners for it. The Valspar etch primer to go underneath for the very first part, and then our top coat, which mixes with the primer. So that's about it, and we'll start getting into paint. There, the car's all finished and masked up, ready for paint. So we'll through the doors and so on. So we'll get some prime on it and get some top coat so that it looks a bit better than it used to. Cleaned and primed and ready for top coat tomorrow. It was just too cold today to get the paint on the floor, but anyway, that looks a bit better.